Welcome! In a few minutes, you'll write and run your very first Python program in Google Colab. We'll go step by step, and you can follow along. Step 1. Open Google Colab. Go to the address bar and type the site address. Then click New Notebook to create a fresh notebook. Step 2. Get familiar with the notebook interface. At the top you see the title, a toolbar with File, Edit, and More, and below you have buttons to add code or text cells. Step 3. Write your first Python statement. Click the code button to insert a code cell. Then type print, open parenthesis, quote, hello, comma, space world, exclamation mark, quote, close parenthesis. Step 4. Run the cell. Click the play button on the left, or press Shift plus Enter. You should see the output right below the cell that says, hello, world. Step 5. Make a small change and run again. Edit the message inside the quotes to say, hi, I am using Google Colab, then run the cell to update the output. Step 6. Add more cells. Click plus code to insert a second cell. Type a short for loop to print 5 lines, then run it to see the lines appear below the cell. Step 7. Save your notebook. Click File, then Save, or choose Save a Copy in Drive. Your notebook will be stored in your Google Drive under Colab Notebooks. That is it. You opened Colab, typed print statements, ran cells, added another cell with a loop, and saved your work. Keep exploring by importing libraries like NumPy or Matplotlib, and share your notebook with collaborators.